Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into P&N Bank online banking accounts. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in the URL for P&N Bank, which is pnbank.com.au, and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official website. Here from this page, click on the login button on the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you'll be redirected to the login area for P&N Bank. In the text boxes, type in your member number associated with your account and then type in your password in the next field. If you are having trouble remembering your password, click on the reset your password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After filling in all of the details, click the login button, and that is how you should be able to log into your P&N online banking accounts. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.